Alright, 77 is back. It is running good. As you can see, there is no air pump. The gentleman Paul at Sports Car Craftsman said if I wanted to get it to stop popping after it passed emissions, because the only way it passed emissions was with the air pump, he said to take the air pump off and then plug it, and sure enough it did. It is in the back, I believe. There it is. I just got done changing the oil. If you want to know how much oil came out of it, it was 1.5 quarts. Very strange. So when I was reading it, when I first got it, it was reading full. I don't know. But we're good. But right now, what we are going to do is we need to replace the valve cover gasket, because as you can see, it just seems to be just pouring out of there. And with the new oil I put in there, it's probably going to come out even more. So let's set you up. The engine is warm, so I am going to adjust the valves. There we go. If I'm in your way, let me know. Actually, all I gotta do is do this, flip this over, and then I'll find out whether or not. Whoop. There we go. Then I'll bring you closer in. As we get further down. That ain't good at all. Uh-oh. Oh, good. Okay. Not missing anything. Whew! Got me real freaking nervous. I'm like, oh my god, I'm missing something. I'm not. Well, at least the cork, I don't have to clean too much off of the head because the cork came straight off. Cool. Let's put some, get some light on this situation here. Everything looks all right. Excuse me. It doesn't look too bad up here. Looks all right. It's weird. That one's got a bolt on it. The other one did not. Did it drop off or something? Yeah, it's just really strange. We'll get to that later. To adjust the valves. Okay. Let me make sure I can. Yeah, cool. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. say that's a little tight. See, that's just a tad loose. Yeah. All right. I'll put the links in the description below of the 74.5 John Twist video, and I think there's one more, and I can't remember his name. Oh, it's Moss Motors video. I like that better. Whoop. Oh, that's just way too tight there. Three, four, five, six. It should drag just a tad. You know, I mean, it's not really dragging that much, but it's still a little loose. That's better. I like that. This is fun. This is the stuff that I like doing. You know, the engine work, things like that. I love engine work because you're actually, I mean, you're working with so many parts and everything almost has to be literally perfect. So it calls for a lot of, you know, a lot of precision. I mean, think about it. Think about your cam lobes and how if a cam lobe is off a certain degrees, it's not going to open the valve all the way. And it's going to reduce your compression. However, if you get the flip side to where it's too high, it'll keep the valve open a lot longer and suck more gas in. Now, you can have either or depending on what type of system you have. You know, if you have a mild cam or something like that, so. But that's the gist of this. That'll do it for this video. I know I only adjusted 2 valves. I will get the other ones. It doesn't make sense to show you the rest of this one. The only difference between me doing this one and the 74.5 is I did the 74.5 cold. I'm actually able to do this one hot. So yeah, I'll probably bring you in for a quick video when I get them all adjusted, because since this has got solid lifters, we're not going to see oil everywhere. So, alright guys, take it easy. I'll bring you back when I have everything running alright, and we'll see whether or not we made the adjustments good. Alright guys, peace!